Happy morning to you all. This is Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today in this lecture series, we are going to see the subject Programming in C Introduction. Topic Introduction to C. So in C language is one of the most popular language in computer, right? We used to call it as a basic computer language. C is she does not have some expansion. It comes under alphabetical order. A algorithmic language as well as B basic programming language. In that the combination of both they used to create Dennis Ritchie used to create C programming. That's what we used to call as in programming in C, or else we used to see C program. C is a most powerful general purpose programming language. We used to call it as a basic programming language is none other than C programming. C programming can be used, its purpose is to develop software applications like operating system as well as databases, compilers. For that reason they start developed C programming. In previous years and all, they used to develop very tedious languages like COBOL and all. It's very tedious, the coding and all, full theoretical based language. So in order to avoid that, they used to create C programming language. The main purpose of C programming is to create some operating system and all developed with the help of C programming. We used to call it as an excellent language in order to learn programs from beginners. Beginners level, we used to gain some knowledge in computer. We first of all, we have to learn something about C programming. It's very useful for learning high languages like Java and all. We can easily learn with the help of C programming. If we are beginner level in C programming, we easily can able to learn Java and all. C is a programming language which is developed at AT&T's Bell Laboratories of USA in the year 1972 by Dennis Ritchie. Dennis Ritchie only developed C programming language. In the late 70s, C began to replace the most familiar languages like programming, procedural language as well as algorithmic language like ALGOL. This and all throughout after start developed C programming. And then ANSI C, it's a standard emerged in the early 1980s. ANSI acronym stands for American National Standard Institute. So the book was split into two titles. One is Programming in C and another one is Programming in ANSI C. So facts about C language. In the year 1988, the American National Standard Institute had formalized the C language. C language was formalized in a formal way, in procedural way with the help of ANSI. That's what we used to call as in programming in ANSI C. C was invented in order to write Unix operating system. First of all, they developed Unix OS with the help of C programming. C is comes under after developed basic language, basic combined programming language. It's none other than an acronym BCPL. So with that only they developed C language. That's what we used to call as an C is a successor of basic combined programming language. And then later on Linux operating system as well as pre-hypertext processor, MySQL database or written in C programming language. We usually C was written in assembly language. The word assembly language is none other than we used to call it as a low level language or as machine level language. That low level language in the sense easy to understand. Robustness is a major advantage of assembly language. That's what C is simply called as an assembly language. And then the Unix also very much secured operating system that was developed with the help of C programming language. We usually C programming language is basic language in order to study PHP as well as Java, .NET, all languages and all comes under C programming as a base beginner. So all as a computer learners, all should know C programming. It's a basic language in all over. Hope you all understand the basics introduction to C programming. Thank you. Have a nice day.